Alright, so I know you've done a lot over here, but I can see a whole bunch of gaps along, and I'm pretty sure there's some places that you missed. So let's go, over here. I know for a fact you missed some places over here. Go over here. And that's just because you're going by city. You kind of want to go by visually. So just right here, I could see, okay, this is an industrial area, most likely. This is definitely an industrial area. Right here, more over here, industrial area, airport. You missed all of this. This is in Rialto. This is Fontana. I want you to get all the places around here as close as possible. Let's move up over here. You missed all these buildings right here. Let's go over here. Let's see which one you missed over here. You missed some over here. Maybe there's nothing, but let's go over here more. You missed some over here. So yeah, I just want you to do that. Finish what you think you missed. Just look around. I could just tell, like, see, you have all these stars, and I could tell industrial areas just by looking at them. This areas you missed. This area you missed. And that's basically because you're just going by city. You're not going by visual. You need to go by visual because you're going to be missing a lot of places if you don't know the city. Missed all this. Going to scroll. I see some buildings. This is a little different. This will be harder to identify. It looks like mostly city down here. But you could tell it's pretty simple. There's probably some buildings over here. There's not as big. I know there's some facilities over here. It's mainly probably over here. Alright. So I just wanted you to go over it a little bit more visually, not by city. Because there's a few places you missed. See, you can go over here to Chino. All these places right here. All these places right here. Right here in Walnut. You got all these places right here. All industrial. Right here. These big buildings. Right here. Right here in Vincent. Here in Azusa. These are most likely facilities right here. Right here. Right here in Manovra. Arcadia. Right here. I would go over here, Pasadena. It looks like you went for a few, so Pasadena might be good, or you need to just check it over one more time. Glendale, there's a lot. Maybe you got it. Here's Burbank. Here's Hollywood Airport. So it looks like there's a lot of buildings over here. Yeah. A lot of industrial right here. A lot of industrial right here. So you kind of get the point. Like, there's a lot of stuff that you could just go to visually that you haven't marked. And really, I could just tell, just because how big these gaps are. I would check all these places that have gaps. And I could even tell this far away which are the industrial areas. See all this white? That's all industrial. See this line? That's all industrial. Industrial right here. Industrial right here. Industrial right here. I could just tell from here. Industrial right here. Yeah, this is Chino.